the scars on your heart are still mine. Tell me that she couldn't get this deep. She can almost be the worst of me.